Good morning all of you. Now today we can discuss what is like fractions. Okay, last class we discussed how we compare two fractions. Okay, we can compare two fractions only if the denominators are same. That is 2 by 6 and 4 by 6. Yet denominators are same. So in this case 2 is smaller than 4. Okay, then we check if the denominators are same, then we compare the numerators. Okay, here 2 is less than 4. So the fraction 2 by 6 is less than 4 by 6. Okay, this way we can compare two fractions that we discussed last class. Now here we can see here the two denominators are same. So the fractions which denominators are same. Okay, any two fractions, two or more fractions with the same denominators are called what? Like fractions. Okay, if the denominators are same, then that fractions are called like fractions. Now we can write another like fraction for this 2 by 6 or 4 by 6 are 5 by 6 is a like fraction of these two fractions. Okay, here also the denominator is 6. Denominator is 6. So another set of like fractions we can write 2 by 8, 4 by 8, 1 by 8. And we consider these three fractions. Here all the denominators are same. Okay, denominators are 8 in this case. So this denominator is 8, this also 8. So these fractions 2 by 8, 4 by 8 and 1 by 8 are called like fractions. Okay, 2 by 8, 1 by 8 and 4 by 8 or 1 by 8. We can call them another set of like fractions because their denominators are same. Now another set is 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, then 6 by 7. These three fractions when we check its denominators, what is the denominators? 7. Okay, all the denominators is same with 7. So these three fractions are another set of like fractions. Okay, so in this way we can compare like fractions like this. If the numerators with the less numerator, that fraction will be the smaller fraction. Okay, if the numerator is greater, then that fraction will be greater fraction. Now all of you understood what is meant by like fractions. What is meant by like fractions? Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. And if the denominators are different, two fractions you look, one fraction is given 1 by 2. Another fraction I write 3 by 5. These two fractions when we check the denominators are different. Such fractions are called unlike. Okay, from the name itself it is clear. If these two denominators are different, they are not like, so they are called unlike fractions. Okay, so like fractions means fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Now next we can discuss about ascending and descending order of fractions. Okay, ascending order or descending order. Okay, for that first we can consider a figure, a rectangle. Okay, and here I divided this rectangle into we can divide into 5 equal parts. 2, 3, 5 equal parts. Okay, so first here I shade only one part. Then what will be this fraction of this shaded part? Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that will be the denominator. Okay, in this how many parts are shaded? Yeah, only one part is shaded, so that will be the numerator. Okay, 1 by 5. Now, the same figure I divided here also into 5 equal parts. Out of that, if we shade only 2 parts, here you look 2 parts, then what will be the fraction of this shaded part? Numerator is, how many parts are shaded? Only 2 parts are shaded, so that will be the numerator. And when you write the denominator, don't mistake, someone mistake like this, how many parts are remaining? 3. So they write 3 as the denominator. That is wrong. But here total how many parts are there? That time we want to include these 2 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts are there. So what is its fraction? 2 by 5. Okay. Next, if we divide, if we take the same figure and if we divide it into 5 equal parts, okay, then out of that, if we shaded 4 equal parts, then what is its fraction? What is the fraction of the shaded part? It will be 4 by 5. Now, when we write this in ascending order, we know what is meant by ascending order. Arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. We know how to arrange numbers. If we take this number 6, 9, 3, 5. How we will write these numbers in ascending order? All of you know. Arranging numbers from the smaller number to the bigger number. So which is the smaller number here? 3 is the smaller number. The next bigger 5, next bigger 6, 9. So this order is called ascending order and it's reverse order. That means arranging numbers from biggest to smaller. Then that order is called descending order. Now just like how we arrange the numbers in ascending order, the numbers just like a fraction also we can write in ascending order. In this case, which will be the smaller fraction? 1 by 5, 2 by 5 or 4 by 5? Which will be smaller? All of you know this will be smaller, 1 by 5. So we can write 1 by 5 less than. Okay. Next fraction we can take 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here also we want to check the numerators only. In this case all the denominators are same. So then we compare the numerators only. So with the smaller numerator we can write first. Next bigger we can write as the next, like that. Okay. So 1 by 5 is less than, 2 by 5 is less than, 4 by 5. Like that. So without drawing figure also we can compare numbers. We can write numbers in ascending or descending order. Okay. Now look some numbers. Another fractions. 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8, 6 by 8. How we write this in ascending order, these fractions? So first when we write in ascending order, first we want to write the smaller fraction first. So which will be the smaller fraction? If the denominators are same, the numerator with the smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction. So 2 by 8 is the smaller, less than. Next will be 3 by 8 less than, 5 by 8 less than, 6 by 8. So arranging the fraction like this, it is called ascending order of fraction. And when we write, what will be the descending order of these fractions? For that, first we write the biggest fraction. Which is the biggest fraction? 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is greater than, 5 by 8 is greater than, 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. Okay. So in this way we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. Thank you.